How's it going, guys? It's early morning right now. Just getting ready to head out to the Birds Hill Honda meet. Some of us local guys, we're going to be meeting up and cruising out together. Should be a pretty good day. The weather's supposed to be really nice. Should be nice and sunny with no rain. Hopefully it's not too hot today, but yeah, we'll see what happens. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, so we're all finished up at the Honda meet. We had a really good turnout, so it was really good to see all the Hondas. Right now, a bunch of us guys are going to head out and try and find a good spot to take some pictures. So we'll see you there. Alright, so just got back home from the Honda meet. It was a really good day. I would say probably about 150 cars showed up. Like, it was a really good turnout. We ended up finding a really cool spot to take some pictures. It was like an old monastery. So yeah, we spent a lot of time there just taking pictures and hanging out, and it was a really cool spot. On the way back from that, we ended up getting stuck in traffic, so we ended up basically idling for about 20 minutes just trying to make it onto the highway. And I was getting pretty nervous because it's a pretty hot day, and I'm not running a fan in this car. I never had any trouble before, but the temperature did start climbing. So right near the end, I'd say probably about 15 minutes into it, I could tell that it was starting to go a bit higher than it usually is. And probably right near the end, just before we got onto the highway, it was getting pretty hot. It was making me really nervous, and we made it onto the highway. As soon as I was on the throttle, the temperature came back down and it was at normal operating temp. But yeah, that just tells me that I can't really do too much city driving. A little bit stop and go is okay, but if I'm stuck in traffic, that's no good. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to get a slim fan and see if I can somehow fit it on the inside of the rad. So I'm thinking of even if it's just a smaller size, like I think I was trying to run a 12-inch and that was too big. So even if maybe I find an 8-inch slim fan or something like that, even if it's a little bit of air movement, it's better than nothing. So I might have to try something like that. But yeah, other than that, it was a really good day. But anyway guys, that's going to end off the video now. So if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave us a comment below. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that button below. We would really appreciate it. And we will see you next time.